Hello, I am Elena and welcome to another sewing tutorial. Today we're gonna sew an elastic waist shorts. This pattern consists of two pieces, a cami top and the shorts. I will leave a link below for the pattern and for the other video tutorial of the cami top. Are you ready? Let's start! Sew the two front parts together. Sew the two back parts together. Flat lay the front part, right side looking up, and on top of it the back part, right side looking inside. Match the two fabrics and do the crotch seam. And then match and sew the side seams. Fold, press and sew the waist tunnel, leaving a small gap. Use this gap to pass through the elastic into the tunnel. Push and pull the elastic with the help of a safety pin. Then pull the two edges together, match them and sew. Then slide into the tunnel and close stitch the gap. Double fold, press and sew the hemline. Your shorts are ready. As always, after finishing a sewing project, press well and you are ready to wear them. Enjoy!